jobs for others. So all this is explained to the youth. They had questions to ask, and it's a good interaction that the youth is knowing that there is IAS exams where they can answer and get successful and get into IAS, GPSC exams, IPS exams. All these things are very important for the youth to know at a young age what they want to do in their life after passing SSC, what they will take up in their life, what they want to be in life, whether they want to be a businessman, whether they want to work somewhere, whether they want to be a GPSC, pass GPSC and be a joint Mamladar, whether they want to be a IAS officer, whether they want to be a IPS officer, whether they want to be a chartered accountant, advocate, doctor, lawyer. So many professions are there. And the youth is confused, he doesn't know or she doesn't know what to do. And here, Village Panchayat, Candolim, Lions Club and all of us, we have given them this platform to interact, to talk to the eminent speakers of the day. We have IPS officer Shobit Saxena who is going to give a talk on IPS. We have Dattaguru Sawant who will give a talk on Goa Police, how you can be a police sub-inspector or a constable. We have IAS Abhayankar, he has given a very good talk on how they can get into UPSC examination, GPSC examination, for us IFS, how they can join there, go for the examination there, join there, work as a IFS officer, IRS officer. So many streams are there. So our youth have to know all these things first hand so that they can take up this as a challenge and a career ahead. And I wish all the best to all these youth who are present over here. And I think we need to do more, give more services like this to all the youth of Goa, different constituencies. You know, like Youth Expo for career guidance, youth empowerment, women empowerment. All these things need to be taken in different constituencies. I will speak to the Honorable Chief Minister on this. And definitely, there we will get results in the years to come.
So regarding the job expo that is going to happen, you think that this kind of expos will help the youth in the future to get jobs?
See, our population is one of the largest populations, especially about the youth. So it is very, very challenging. Job expos which are there will definitely get jobs for the youth, what they are looking at as far as private organizations are concerned. But to make a career, they need this type of expos, they need this type of guidance so that they can, after completing 12th, after completing graduation, what they should do in life, which stream they should take, what will be the final outcome, where they can go in for the examination, how they have to prepare, where they have to prepare for GPSC, UPSC, whatever you want. They want to be IAS officer, they want to be IFS officer, IRS officer, whatever they want to do, they need guidance. And this type of expos are very, very important. And expos also of jobs. Whoever has completed 12th or graduation and they want a job, they can go for that other expo. So I think this type of expos are very important for the youth of Goa, boys and girls, so that they know and they know that they are in the right direction. They can very well take up these challenges in life and be something in life. Because it's not that easy. We have the highest number of population in the world as far as youth is concerned. So everybody cannot be pass GPSC or IAS. Some of them need to start businesses on their own so that through these businesses a lot of jobs can be created for others.
say on in they make a job fair. So what do you say on that?
Yeah, a lot of boys and girls will get jobs. Whoever is looking out for a job, whichever company has jobs, they will get jobs.